Hmm. കണ്ടോ മിസ് എൻ്റെ ഇത് വരുമ്പോ ക്യാമറ കണ്ടോ? ഓക്കെ.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yesterday sent message. Please take this book. Okay. I'm going to complete this book. Abhyas Pustika. Yes. One day we wrote this. One black and white book. Abhyas Pustika. Workbook.
I have ticket.
Yes. Please check up to where. Yes, up to where finished. I think one day we finished up to page number 9. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So today we are going to write page number 10 to 21. Today we are going to complete this book.
Ma'am, ma'am.
Okay, some students already finished
I
up to cha. Yes, yes. That students, please wait there. I will say, okay. And Mia finished.
Yes.
Wait, and Mia, I will say. So, other students, please take your book. Please take page number 10. When you are writing, leave one line and write. Leave one line and write. Okay. Finish. Those who finish up to cha. Please, up to cha should finish. Not ka. Up to cha. We should finish up to
Ma'am.
cha. Cha.
Ma'am.
Yes.
This book.
Huh? Yes, that book. Yes, yes. Diya finish up to cha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, very good. Those who finish up to cha. Diya finish. And Mia finish.
And I have finished
No.
to start. No, ma'am.
And Mia right. Only Diya, Daksha finish.
Yes. No, ma'am.
I think only Diya finish up to
Ishan finished.
Ishan finish.
Ma'am, which page?
Ishan up to where finish? Cha. Okay, Diya, Ishan. These students take rough book. Please write and study. Please write and study. Cha, 20 times. After that, take mother. Where is your mother? Mother is there with you?
Ma'am,
Mother will take one dictation. Mother will take one dictation. Clear?
ma'am, this
Yes, Diya and Isha. Next, other students. Aradhya, this book. Please open this book, Aradhya.
I know how
Please mute your audio. Please mute your page number 10. Page number 10 onwards up to cha. We should finish. We can't finish today. Now this period, before this week, you should finish. Clear? Okay. Some students already finished. That students, please take your rough book, write and study. Now, after that, mother will take dictation. So, others, all students, please listen. Next class, I will take one dictation. Swarakshar full, Vyanjanakshar ka to cha. I will take a dictation. Clear now? So, please complete
Ma'am, I know.
this Vyanjanakshar and Swarakshar also. Clear?
Ma'am, I know.
Yes, yes. Please complete. This Vyanjanakshar and Swarakshar also. Clear? Yes, yes. This Vyanjanakshar and Swarakshar also. Clear? Yes, yes. This Vyanjanakshar and Swarakshar also. Clear? Yes, yes. This Vyanjanakshar and Swarakshar also. Any other students finish? Only Ishan and Diya. What about others? Any other?
I finish.
Who?
After also finish. Deepak.
Malavika finish? Yes, Malavika, take your rough book, write and study. Afia finish?
Daksha, Deepak finish.
Daksha, where is your book? Daksha, where is your book? Cha, how much column you did? Only one column? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Daksha. Daksha, take one rough book, write and study.
Okay, ma'am.
Diya over, Ishan over, Daksha over, Malavika over. These students take your rough book, write and study. Any other students? Finish?
Ma'am,
No.
I know finish.
Afia. Afia, where is your book?
Yes.
Where is your book, Afia? Afia, where is your book? Afia Maria. Where is your book? Ashijit. Ashijit. Take your rough book, write and study. Ashijit, mother is there? Yes or no?
Yes.
Ashijit, after write and study, mother will take a dictation. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So, next, what? Diya CS not over? No.
Indian da.
Okay, I will call one by one. I will check your workbook now. Okay, Malavika finish. Okay, Malavika, did you get workbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your book? Okay, yes. Okay, continue. Okay, yes. Agnes, Teresa, up to where finish workbook? Did all students? Okay. Up to where Agnes? I. Okay, Agnes. Okay, continue, Agnes. Daksha, where is your book? Daksha. Daksha. Wait there. I will call one by one. Anya, wait there. I will call. Daksha, up to where finish? Once more. Ka. Okay.
Ma'am, I
Daksha,
finish
up to finish. Up to Daksha,
Yes.
continue. Daksha, continue. Veda Vinod Kumar. Veda Vinod Kumar. Where is your book, Veda? Veda Vinod Kumar, where she went? Where is your book? Workbook. Veda. Workbook. Veda, up to where? Finish. A. Veda, please complete up to Cha. Okay, Veda? Yes. Okay. Ashijit, where is your workbook, Ashijit? Ashijit, where is your workbook? Up to where finish, Ashijit? Not clear. Cha finish. Okay, take your rough book, write and study. Devadarsh, where is your workbook, Devadarsh? Up to where finish? Not clear. Devadarsh, please adjust your. Devadarsh, up to E finish. Why you didn't complete? One day we complete up to A. Devadarsh, why you didn't write? Please unmute, Devadarsh. Please unmute, Devadarsh. Why you didn't finish? Huh? Have you any reason, Devadarsh? No.
No.
Devadarsh, up to Cha finish. Okay, when you are getting free time. Clear now? This week itself should finish. Before Friday. Devadarsh, before Friday. Clear? Amina, Faustina. Okay. Amina, Anmia, sorry. Anmia, where is your notebook? Sorry, workbook where? Anmia. Up to where finish Anmia? Anmia only A. A finish. Anmia Faustina, I am asking, not Anmia Reigal.
Yes, ma'am.
Anmia Faustina, where is your workbook? Where is your workbook, Anmia? Aradhya, continue. Aradhya Pradeep, continue. Anmia, up to where finish, Anmia? Only one page finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you didn't write, Anmia? Have you any reason? Yes or no?
Ma'am.
Say.
Ma'am, I come late.
Up to where finish?
Not finish my.
Anmia,
Yes, ma'am.
before next Friday. Okay.
Ma'am,
Anmia, I am talking with Anmia. Other students, please wait. Anmia, you should finish up to cha. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Anmia, where is your notebook? Anmia, where is your notebook? Notebook, please take. Where? Show me. Okay. Okay. So, please complete workbook also. Clear? Okay, Anmia.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one. Afrin. Up to where finish, Afrin? Workbook. Afrin. Up to where finish? Where up? Nga. Right. Anthony Shan. Anthony Shan. Finish. Up to where finish, Anthony? Workbook. Workbook. I am asking. Workbook. Yes. Up to where? Anthony, please try to complete only. Yes, sir. My God. When you will finish? This week itself finish. Up to cha. Clear?
Okay.
Sahasra. Sahasra Vinu. Where is your workbook? Sahasra Vinu. Okay, continue. Dia CS up to where finish? Dia right up to cha. Afia Maria. Okay, finish. Anmia. Okay. Anmia, okay. Zara Rovin. Zara, where is your workbook? Up to where? Yes, finish. Ansel M. Lijo. Ansel M. Lijo. Ansel M. Lijo. Where is your workbook? Ansel? Ansel M. Lijo, where is your workbook? Okay, Ansel M. Ansel.
Yes, ma'am.
Why Nga didn't complete Ansel? Ansel, page number 19. Take, please take. Ansel, page number 19. 19. One nine, 19. Where? Please take first. Ansel, page number 19. Did you complete that? Yes or no?
Yes.
Ansel. Okay, Ansel, continue. Next one, Aradhya Pradeep. Up to where finish, Aradhya? Aradhya Pradeep. Aradhya Pradeep, there is no light. I can't see your face. Aradhya, there is no light, Aradhya. I can't see your face. Aradhya,
That is
yes. No, it's not clear, Aradhya. When you are sitting, check your light also. Full dark. Here we are seeing your face very dark.
my tool light is low.
Oh, so that. Where is your workbook? Wait there. Ashif, wait there. Aradhya, up to cha finish.
Yes.
Aradhya, did you draw line or simply wrote? Ashif, wait there, I will check. Ashif, take your rough book, write and study. Aradhya, please draw column. Aradhya, please make column and write. See, listen, first page itself I show. Aradhya, look here. See, are you seeing this column? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Please write like this. Next one, Fia Elizabeth. Where is your book, Fia? Fia Elizabeth. Up to, oh, yes. Rafan Muhammad. Rafan Muhammad, where is your workbook? Rafan, okay, Rafan. Yes, Ashif Shafiq. Ashif Shafiq, where is your book? Ashif, where you went? Ashif Shaf, okay. Ashif, take rough book, write and study Vyanjanachar. Ashif Shafiq, nga not clear. Now last nga, please rub and write. Ashif Shafiq, last nga, that is wrong. Next one, Krishna Raj. Where is your book, Krishna Raj? Devadarsh, are you playing there? Krishna Raj, up to where finish? Yes, Krishna Raj, yes, complete. Continue. Rose M. Francis. Rose, where is your book, Rose? Workbook. There is no light, Rose. Rose. Yeah, Rose, please complete. Up to cha. Nainika, where is your workbook? Nainika, where is your workbook? Up to where finish, Nainika? Oh. Okay, please. Okay, continue. Zara Rofin, write and study finish. Are you? Sarah, take a rough book, write and study 15 times.
Finish. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Diya, take finish. Ashil K. Saji, where is your workbook? Ashil K. Saji, 10 it, 10. Up to where finish, Ashil? My God, E. Ashil, please try to complete this week itself. Okay? Ashil, please unmute and say answer.
Complete. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This week itself.
Yes.
Before Friday. Clear?
Complete.
Wait.
Workbook complete.
Then please take your rough book, write and study. Samanvaya, where is your book? Samanvaya.
Ma'am, I finished.
Samanvaya, where? Samanvaya.
Ma'am,
Cha not over Samanvaya. No. So write, please. Able switch over.
ma'am, oh,
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Okay, Bill. Okay. Anna Princeton. Anna Princeton, where is your workbook? Anna Princeton, up to where finish, Anna? Ow. Please complete. Up to Cha. Krishnaraj. Krishnaraj, where is your book? Workbook. Krishnaraj. Krishnaraj, up to Yes or no? Yes. Please complete up to Cha. Arav Arun, where is your workbook? Notes window, are you playing there? Arav Arun, up to where finish? Once more, please show me. Arav Arun. Okay, continue. Okay. Suresh, where is your book, Suresh? Up to where finish, Suresh? Oh, yes. Okay, continue. Okay. So, Rafan Muhammad, where is your book? Rafan. Rafan, take a rough book, write and study. Vyanjan Akshar Ka Se Cha Tak. 15 times. Clear? Rafan? Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Next class I will take dictation, Swarakshar and Vyanjanakshar Ka to Cha.
Ma'am, I have completed up to Cha.
Up to Cha. Samanviya, take rough book, write and study now.
Ma'am, I finished.
Aradhya, take rough book, write and study.
Ma'am, finished.
Ahian, finish. Take rough book, write and study. When you are writing, say the letter. Next class, again I am telling next class will take dictation. Ashif, finish everything. Huh? No. Yes. When you are writing, say the letter. Say the word also. Which letter you are writing? Say the letter. Say the letter. Some are drawing, simply drawing that letter. Okay. Say the letter name. Say the word also. Devadarsh, are you tired, Devadarsh? Huh? No. No. If you can't write now, when you will write? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Please, again I am telling. See, Maklai, say that letter. Which letter you are writing? Say that letter. Huh?
A. Am I finished writing?
Okay. Where is Samanvaya mother? Where is your mother? Mother is there? Okay.
Oh.
No. Any other is there? Brother or sister? Anyone is there?
No.
No, Samanvaya? No. Are you alone there? Huh?
Yes.
Are you alone? Huh?
Yes, my papa is going to duty.
Ah, yes. Samanvaya, yes. I will take a dictation for you. Samanvaya,
Okay.
please write. Samanvaya.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. First, please write Ga. Gamla Ga. Write first. Gamla Ga. Any other students are alone there? No, please inform me. I will take a dictation. Okay, mother is there? No, mother will take a dictation. Samanvaya, finish. Next. Gamla Ga. Gamla Ga. Daksha, mother is there? Daksha's? Ah, yes, okay. Samanvaya, Kamal, Ka se Kamal, Ka. Yes, third one, Cha, Chammach, Cha. Chammach, Cha. Now, fourth one, Khar, Kha. Khar, Kha. Yes. Next one, Khargosh, Kha. Okay, Samanvaya, open your textbook and check it that. Okay. Any other students? Please say, I will take dictation for you. Ansel, finish. Huh? Anselm Lijo, are you sleeping? Yes or no? No. No. Yes. Yes. Nainiga, where is your book, Nainiga? I didn't see. Nainiga, up to where finish Nainiga now? Okay. Yes. Arav, Arun, what are you doing there, Arav? Arav,
Gargosh.
Arav, Arun, what are you doing there?
Ga se
Arav, please
gargosh.
unmute.
Ma se gargosh.
Finish. Okay. Next class, again I am telling next class I will take a dictation. So please write and
Ha
study.
se gargosh.
Okay. Yes. Please complete workbook up to
Se gargosh.
this week itself. This week itself should complete up to cha.
Gha se gargosh.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.